If you're using GetResponse but struggling with low open rates, you're probably wondering, how can I actually improve deliverability and get more people opening my emails? Stay till the end because I'll cover the biggest mistakes people make, what actually works, and if GetResponse isn't cutting it for you, some better alternatives with extended free trials. First thing, your sender reputation matters more than you think. If you're blasting emails from a brand new domain or switching platforms without warming up your list, expect lower deliverability. GetResponse does a decent job managing this, but if your open rates are tanking, check if your domain has proper DKIM, SPF, and MARC records set up. Without these, your emails might land in spam, no matter how good your content is. Next, list hygiene is everything. A huge mistake is keeping inactive subscribers. GetResponse has built-in list cleaning tools, but they don't go far enough. If people haven't opened your emails in months, remove them or run a re-engagement campaign. A bloated, inactive list hurts your deliverability. The third thing, asterisk your subject lines. Asterisk clickbait titles like "Fire Read Now" might seem smart, but they trigger spam filters. Keep them clear, relevant, and avoid excessive punctuation. GetResponse's AI-powered subject line tester can help, but don't rely on it alone. Test different styles and track what works best for your audience. Fourth, sending frequency matters. If you send too often, you annoy your list. Too rarely, and they forget who you are. GetResponse offers automation, but it's easy to overdo it. B, test different schedules and see when your audience actually responds. Another big one, asterisk content formatting. Asterisk too many images or weird HTML code can trip spam filters. Plain text emails often perform better. GetResponse templates are nice, but don't overload them with fancy design. Keep it clean, mobile-friendly, and easy to read. Now, be careful with affiliate links. Some email services, including GetResponse, are stricter on affiliate-heavy content. If you're promoting products, always cloak links or use proper redirects to avoid being flagged. And finally, asterisk GetResponse is good, but not perfect. Asterisk if you're still struggling with deliverability despite doing everything right, it might be the platform itself. Some users report inconsistent results, especially on lower-tier plans. If you want the best open rates, I've linked an extended free trial to a platform that outperforms GetResponse in deliverability and automation. Plus, I've included a few other alternatives that offer more advanced email tools, so you can pick what fits your business best. Click the link in the description to get access to those exclusive trials.